Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and you can find us on www.rockpapercopy.com. And in this video I wanted to talk to you about our new service, or our new improved service, SEO Monthly, because we had this service for a while and now we added a new feature, which is SEO Monthly service for only $50 a month, which is an amazing value. And it can give you more permanent results than paying for Facebook ads, and it can bring you more relevant traffic, which means your conversion rate and sales will improve significantly if you were just using standard social media marketing or paid ads. And I'm going to show you how it will benefit your business. So SEO Monthly by Rock Paper Copy, it works on bringing you traffic from the sources that are visited by your target audience. So we initially do a research and find the most target audience for your business. So it's part of the branding. And also we then try to connect with this new audience to make them visit your website through the network of backlinks. And the backlinks also are optimized using your target keywords. So each backlink is your keyword phrase, which is hyperlinked and linked back to your website, which means with every month you get more and more backlinks pointing back to your website. And it will also help you improve your Google rank. So your website will be on higher and higher pages of Google. So each month with this package you get more backlinks, you get more trust signals, you get more authority within your niche. And these are permanent results. So it means that with each month you get more traffic coming to your website. When you compare it to paid ads, you find out that that once you stop paying for the ads, the traffic stops. And it happened to a number of our customers as well, that they were paying for what they thought they were permanent backlinks, but they were only links from the ads. So once you stop paying, obviously those ads disappear, but they don't leave any permanent backlinks behind. That's why it's very important to work on organic SEO, and this is the SEO Monthly optimization that is offered currently by Rock Paper Copy, and it starts from $50 per month. So please familiarize yourself with the packages. Please compare the packages. We offer 3 different packages. The basic package that I just mentioned, that's is $50 per month. Then we have got starter package and also the master package. So each one offers something different. And if you have any questions, please make sure to contact me. I'm Maggie, and I run Rock Paper Copy. And also our homepage is www.rockpapercopy.com. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.